This is the elevator here at 7248 Southline Park Drive in Sacramento, California. Look at that little camera. This is a Dover. Let's see if this works. Sweet. And this is a big one. Let's go to 2. California Dover Traditional. Classy leveling. Bumper. I love Dover optical eyes. They sound so cool. This might be a holeless hydraulic. This is a really thick door frame. Indicator is dead, unfortunately.